Hello guys, good morning. Ganito rin ba kayo kapag magising kayo, nanonood ng movie, walang ginagawa? Relaxing day kasi, off ni Tami, and weekend din po ito. So kaya yun, andito din yung pusa. So, movie date kami ni Mr. ulit. I don't know what's the title, pero Hide Out. Knives Out. Hide Out. Knives Out pala. Good morning! Luto lang ako ng breakfast. Galing ako sa labas hala, somebody called. My sister. Hello, day. Karon pa kaabot?
Tatad na gamay. Basta inita!
Nagulan man nila mama. So, yung kaibigan niya, tatawagan daw siya, guys. Mga 8 o'clock. It's 8:20 na, hindi pa tumawag. So, ngayon, Tami is using my car. Don't bring the car key. Just in case. Are you just gonna do the white car? It's comfortable for you.
Up here, I can't. The projector will fit it.
The trunk. We can clean the trunk now. Okay. Be careful driving that black car, huh? Remember, they're not talking to you when you pass the line.
Yeah.
And if there's a car. So he's ready to leave. Look at him.
Well, Stevie said he was gonna call me about 8.
So, punta tayo sa garahian, guys. Check natin ang gulong ng sasakyan. Kasi gamitin ni Tami yung aking sasakyan. Ang gamitin niya kasi meron siyang kargahin nga, di ba? Kalagot yung kay kung tawanan eh. Meron siyang kargahin na bawal. I have to do this because if I don't help him, he's always whining. Whiner. Hala, 44, it's okay. So, how about the other one? He said 10 o'clock, Han, and Roger's not gonna be there maybe later.
But he's gonna be there.
Yeah, but Roger's gonna be there late, so what the heck?
It don't matter.
45. Gulong. Gulong ng palad ni gulong namin. Kalungka. Meron pala akong basura dito. Nakalimutan kong itapon. Yun yung naglinis ako dito. 46. Mga nasa 40s. Dapat 50. Pero okay na yan siya. My cellphone over there, Han.
Yeah.
What did you put in there? Naglagot na medyo ko nimo, ha? Naglagot na medyo ko. Mura jud mig iring og iro, guys. Para kami aso to sa Tami. Or like cat and dog. Tami and I. I am a cat and Tami is a
Somebody for
dog.
what she does. Always blaming somebody for what she does.
Yeah, no.
Always.
No.
Oh, I thought it was still in the bag.
It was in the bag.
Oh, seriously? Then why don't you just tell me it was?
I'll take that. Take, open. Dami kasing gamit nitong Tami, eh. Some tissue over here. I put all the tissues. Kanina pa ito si Mister. Kalibangon kayo ko. Hey, are you there? You going to see? You leaving? What was that? Bye. Two 2:30 na. Ngayon pa ako natapos. Grabe. Alam niyo, mamayang gagabi, mag-iyak-iyak na naman ako. For sure. Kasi itong kamay ko is talagang mamayang gabi. Katulad nung naalala, I don't know if naalala ninyo. Akala ko, sabi ko, buti nang mamatay na lang ako. Grabe yung sakit. Yung every time you move exercise, move your kamay, ito, sobrang sakit na parang tinatabunan ako ng mundo. Kasi yung muscle ko, lahat ng nerve ko is sumasakit. So, kaya yung time na yun, iyak ako ng iyak. Kasi ito po yun, oh, diba, sobrang dumi. Ngayon, tignan nyo. So, malinis na siya. Malinis na, guys. Look. So, kinabukasan, bangon na tayo, guys, magkape. At ito man talaga yung mga pinagagawa natin kapag umaga, no. Andito po ngayon si Tami at meron kaming plano ngayong araw. Good morning! Good morning! Luto tayo, guys, ang kati-kati. Ha?
This is why the world is full of powerful men with.
So, after ko na-share about sa boobs ko, guys, maraming nagsasabi na inom daw ako nitong mother na vinegar. Marami po kami nito, guys. Actually, meron kaming 3 at hindi ako nag-inom matagal-tagal na. Pero sabi pa nila, makatulong daw ito. So, nag-take naman ako, no? Nagkikinig din ako sa mga advice. Pero meron akong tinitake ngayon, guys. Kami dalawa ni Tami for just in case cancer sa future. I-fold natin ito kasi bibili tayo ng mulch. Yan. Ganun. I'm everything here. Way I can do it myself. I really handicap me. Slowly, love. Slowly. Oopsie. So, andito na tayo sa Home Depot. The mulch is over there. Yeah, right there. Let me do the top one, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Is it heavy?
No.
Hello. Psst. Okay. I can't reach hand. How much in it? How many? 5. 6. Are you okay?
Told you I could come and do this for you.
Yan, guys, sobrang that's not it. That's big rocks.
They're not marble, they're regular rocks, so I don't need
Just
marble.
do regular. You don't need marble.
Right.
So, how much is this? $6. $6. Hanap kami ng pati bato dito sa Amerika, guys. Binibili, no? Bili, ano to? Oy, hala, Han. They're selling also, balas. Hala, they have red, so, Han, look. Hala, they have big white one. Ay, nagulat man ako dito. Ay, ang daming mga binibintang mga bato. Guys, kapag matagal na kayong mag-asawa, na siya, given na pag matagal na kayo, magkairitahan na talaga kayo. Yun yung kami ni Mister. Magkairitahan na kami, guys. Paminsan, mag-irritable kaming dalawa. Hindi na, wala na masyadong magandang conversation because we're irritable. My husband's irritable. I don't know which one he's buying here.
Oh, cheaper ones are just going on the ground.
Oh yeah, so how many you're getting? That's $6. I know that's heavy, hon. You know that? Just get 2 for now. Right here. Okay, that's it. grocery at konti lang yung binili namin, no? Konti lang yung binili namin. Well, actually, how much you pay for the grocery? Yeah, but we don't get a lot. We just get what we need and what the dog need. That's a nice car, lang. Oh, nice one. Look at that, guys. Oh, nice. It's a woman driving, love. Nice car. I like it. Do you like it? I don't like it. My husband just called me retarded. Retarded. Ay, ay, ay.
Guys, give me a pan big enough to make it turn me in. Put a little tiny plant in it. It's not, put it here. Have to use a whole 80-pound bag of dirt to go with it.
Nasaktan ako, guys. Ay, may sinabi man siya, 'di ba? So, ngayon, ang sinabi ko din sa kanya, binalik ko yung sinabi niya, guys. Pero nasaktan na ako, guys. Pero luto pa rin tayo, no? Para sa ating asawa.
That's possible. Robert, Bridge, you're the editor-in-chief now. That was a publisher's decision. Well, not if Mr. Forrester had been. Are you suggesting that?
Nagluluto ng manok.
It felt like a club you had to pay to get in, and I just didn't have the money for that when I was much younger.
So, pabayaan natin dyan kasi mas masarap yung sunog.
And you don't need to feel
Masarap yung sunog kaysa hindi sunog.
acorns and that
So, maaga po ako nagluto. 3 o'clock ngayon ng hapon. Maaga dahil po
easy to start automatically saving.
dito na area, maging ano siya eh,
And you're retired. You don't need a lot of money
mainit.
or
Look, tignan nyo, andito na yung init niya.
in fact, you can get
So,
started with
mamaya,
just
mainit na
spare
ito
change.
dito. At saka ayaw ko na, hindi ko na feel magluto.
Build
Yun yung
portfolio that
problema.
fits you and
So, yun guys, nag-away kami ni Mister dahil sa sinabi niya, 'di ba? Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, kinausap ko siya guys at yun, naging okay. Bago kami mag-start mag-dinner, kaloka.